Intrusion prevention system can be software applications installed on endpoints, dedicated hardware devices connected to the network, or delivered as cloud services. Because intrusion prevention system must be able to block malicious activity in real time, they are always placed inline on the network, meaning traffic passes directly through the intrusion prevention systems before reaching its destination. Intrusion prevention systems are categorized based on where they sit in a network and what kind of activity they monitor. Many organizations use multiple types of intrusion prevention systems solution in their networks. We have some different types of intrusion prevention systems. Network-based intrusion prevention system monitors inbound and outbound traffic to devices across the network, inspecting individual packets for suspicious activity. Network-based intrusion prevention systems are placed at strategic points in the network. They often sit immediately behind firewalls at the network perimeter so they can stop malicious traffic that breaks through. Network-based intrusion prevention system may also be placed inside the network to monitor traffic to and from key assets, like critical data centers or devices. Host-based intrusion prevention systems. A host-based intrusion prevention system. Host-based intrusion prevention systems is installed on a specific endpoint, like a laptop or server, and monitors only traffic to and from that device. Host-based intrusion prevention systems are usually used in conjunction with network-based intrusion prevention systems to add extra security to vital assets. Host-based intrusion prevention systems can also block malicious activity from a compromised network node, like ransomware spreading from an infected device. Network behavior analysis. Network behavior analysis solutions monitor network traffic flows. While network behavior analysis may inspect packets like other intrusion prevention system, many network behavior analysis focus on higher-level details of communication sessions, such as source and destination IP addresses, ports used, and the number of packets transmitted. Network behavior analysis use anomaly-based detection methods, flagging and blocking any flows that deviate from the norm, like DDoS attack traffic or a malware-infected device communicating with an unknown command and control server. Wireless intrusion prevention systems. Wireless intrusion prevention system. Wireless intrusion prevention systems monitors wireless network protocols for suspicious activity, like unauthorized users and devices accessing the company's Wi-Fi. If a wireless intrusion prevention system detects an unknown entity on a wireless network, it can terminate the connection. A wireless intrusion prevention systems can also help detect misconfigured or unsecured devices on a Wi-Fi network and intercept man-in-the-middle attacks, where a hacker secretly spies on users' communications.